Okay, here is one of the platform developer one question. Before I review this question, let me show you the object relationship. Then we'll come back to this question. Here, I have three objects: review, which has lookup to job application, that has a master detail relationship with position object. Okay, so review as a lookup to job application. Job application has a master detail relationship with position object. Okay, for position, job is a child and review is a grandchild. This is how the relationship is in the system at present. Okay, now we'll see what their question is. So this is what they say. The review has a lookup relationship with job, and job has a master data relationship with position. They wanted to populate the value in the review record for each position record. So what does that mean? I'll show you that again. You just see here. Let me open a position record. So here is the position record values. Okay. So when I click on this, when I open any position record, okay, I've opened one of the position record. Whatever the job application associated with this, because job application is a child of position, and it is a master for review. Okay, so they wanted this data to be populated in. So say for an example, here we have my first review and another review. They wanted this data to be shown here. Review and my first review. Okay, let's see how we can achieve this. This is they have provided 4 options. We will see which option is correct out of those 4. Okay, let us see the first option. Utilize the standard controller for position. This we know it because only then you can bind in Visual Force page. You should set the standard controller attribute to position object. Only then the Visual Force page can be bind to position object. Okay, and cross object formula field on the job application object. So cross object formula field on the job application object to display review data. So what this says, you write one cross object formula in job application and fetch the review data, and then you can populate it in position. This is what they say, because the position object is showing the job application record. I'll show you that. See, this position is already showing job application. You write one cross object formula here to get the review data. That is what they are trying to see. Okay, we'll see how is it possible. So here I'm trying to create a formula field in job application, but you see, if it is a cross object formula, it can navigate from child to parent, but there is no review object available here. You can see it here. This is because from job, okay, you can traverse to its parent up to 10 level. That is for job, position is the parent. For position, I have candidate is the parent. Okay, so this way up to 10 levels you can traverse and get the data, but not in the other way. Let me close this, and we will see the other options also. The next option is expression syntax in the page, related review data through job application object. So I'll show you that what it is. So here from position, okay, once again, as I said, whatever I was saying in the cross object formula, that is true here also. From position, you can go to its parent and get the value, but from position, you cannot go to its child. So position job application is child. Okay, position, okay, through job application is a child, so it is not possible. The third option here is utilize the standard control for position, cross object formula field on the review object. So this, by reading itself, you can know that this option is not the valid one for this requirement, because they wanted to populate review data and the position. Okay, so this is not valid in this case. So the fourth one is utilize the standard control for position and controller extension to query the review data. Okay, we'll see what it is. So they say to write, so up to this no, common for all four options, and now they are saying you write one extension controller, okay, and then query the data from the review record and populate it in the page. Okay, I'll show you the class here. This is the class. Here I use this statement to get the position record ID. So whichever position record I open, that ID I can get it through this. Okay, this is the method to get it. Say for an example, okay, let me go to the position object and see we have various records here, and you just see here the URL getting changed when I click on the record. So here is the ID. This ID, if I want to get it, so the one way is to do this way. Okay, get the ID of that page, and then query the related job application, and for each job application get the review data, and then populate it in one field, and this field I'm using it here. Okay, okay, we'll see how this is appearing in the position record. Okay, this is the position record. Here you see there are three values. Okay, let me add one break statement here. So you can see that clearly here. So I have three options: 1, 2, and 3. So this one is this is using this expression syntax, and this one I'm populating with by querying the data. So with this we understand that the option 4 is the valid one. So you have to write a query to fetch any data from its child, I mean from the grandchild. Okay. Okay. Thank you.